A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Praneeth from 10th standard and today I am here to represent a presentation on recently launched spacecraft by India. As you see on the screen, my topic is Chandrayaan-3, which is recently launched by ISRO on 14 July 2023 at Sriharikota. Chandrayaan-3 is just like a mission Chandrayaan-2. It is third lunar mission which is sent by India to Moon to research about lunar surface. Chandrayaan-3 has objectives of achieving soft landing and to demonstrate roving capabilities and to research water molecules and minerals on lunar surface. By success in this mission, our country India will be the fourth country in the world to hold its flag on lunar surface. This is the live launching of Chandrayaan-3 at Sriharikota on 14 July 2023. 9. These are some details about the Chandrayaan-3 mission. It is a lunar mission which has Chandrayaan-3 has mass approximately 3900 kg, communication facilities and also 3 modules. It consists of a rover named Pragyan. It has direct communication only with the lander Vikram. It is a model of satellite. It has 3 modules. The first one is lander module which will land on the moon. Second one is inner module and third one is propulsion module. These are some details about the payload. Chandrayaan-3 is capable for carry approximately 4000 kg and in lower Earth orbit it can carry approximately 8000 kg. It has both liquid and solid fuel capabilities. These are 4 payload equipments of lander Vikram. The first one is CHA-STE, second one is Rambha and third one is ILSA, last one is LRA. The first CHA-STE is very useful and used to study how moons in the surface of moons earthquake occur and the rotation of moon. This is first time that the ISRO used this technology in the mission. Second one is Rambha. This is used to study how moon allow heat to pass through it. Third one is ILSA. This is used to study the plasmic environment of the moon. The last one, LRA, is used to analyze the correct distance between the Earth and the moon to ISRO. There are 2 payload equipments of rover. It consists of robotics. The first one is LIBS and the second one is APXS. The first one, LIBS, is used to study the chemical composition of the lunar surface. The second is used to study the chemical composition of soil and rocks of the lunar surface near the landing site. The propulsion module has only one payload which named SHAPE. The SHAPE is used to study and find those planets which are exoplanets, the planets which are habitable like Earth or not. The SHAPE will get separated from the lander. The lander will land on the moon and it will separate from it and it fly in the orbit of moon in search of exoplanets, planets like habitable like Earth or not. Chandrayaan-3 is tested many times in the ISRO labs before launching to test that it is perfectly ready to launch or not. This is separation of Chandrayaan-3. Firstly, these 2 shells will separate from it and its engine will start and it starts its journey towards the moon. According to scientists, Chandrayaan 3 will land on the moon, very softly land on solar polar region of the moon on 23rd August 2023. She is the director of this mission, Dr. Ritu Karidhal. She is monitoring the whole mission day and night. Chandrayaan 3 mission costs approximately 600 crore that the government had spent on it. So there is also a question that we have already launched Chandrayaan 2. What is the reason to launch Chandrayaan 3? There were crash landing of Chandrayaan 2. Some issues are there in Chandrayaan 2, which were small landing site and 5 engines, which create higher thrust and limitations of software to detect errors. He is the chairman of ISRO, Sridhara Panikkar Somnath. Indian Space Research Organization is formed on 15 August 1969. It is a space agency. It helps India to develop itself in space sector. We are proud to be Indian as India is developing itself a lot. At the end, I sincerely thanks to all of you for your precious time and attention. Thank you.